Everyone is talking about how great AI is, how it can replace jobs around the world, or whether AI is a threat to humans in the upcoming years. But there is one more important aspect no one is talking about: the pollution caused by AI. AI, including chatgpt, has become an integral part of our lives. Its power has demonstrated that certain tasks require less efforts when performed by AI rather than humans. For instance, customer support can efficiently handled by a single AI, potentially replacing work of at least 50 people. Companies have observed reduced response times due to AI implementation. AI can be creative. Early people used to think that creativity is exclusively a human trait, but AI has proven its artistic powers in the various fields. One remarkable example is the emergence of AI-generated art, where machine learning used deep learning algorithms to produce original and captivating work. For instance, the portrait of Edmond de Bellani, an AI-generated artwork, was sold at auction for stunning $400,000 or 3.2 Indian crore rupees. AI's impact spans across various fields, but we are not talking about that today. Today we are talking about one more negative effect of AI, which as of now is being overlooked, especially by us, the users: the environmental aspect of AI. A 20 to 30 minute question answer session on the chatgpt uses 500 ml of water. It's quite less, right? But 60 million or 6 crore users visit the chatgpt on daily basis, and a single user spends an average of 7 minutes. And if we do the calculations, 10 million or 1 crore liter of water is being used daily just to answer these questions. And training AI tells another story. Microsoft's San Francisco Center used 70 lakh liter of water just to train the chatgpt 3, and it was on the USA data. If it was done on Asia data, it would have been more than 3 times. The chatgpt has a combined water footprint of about 35 lakh or 3.5 million liter of water. But what is water footprint, and how AI uses the water? The water footprint is like the dark cousin of the carbon footprint. It's measure of the water consumed and polluted by data centers worldwide. And believe me, it's not a drop in the ocean. I can almost hear the data servers whispering, water, water everywhere, and not a drop to spare. Water used directly to cool AI server rooms. The server rooms must be kept between 10 to 27 degrees Celsius to prevent any equipment malfunctioning. Cooling tower uses to maintain suitable temperature. For every unit of electricity consumed by the server, cooling tower uses a gallon or about 3.8 liter of water. So now this water vapor rises inside the cooling tower and is released into the atmosphere. This results in the water used by data centers not to be recycled in any way possible. The cooling tower at the data centers can only use clean fresh water, as seawater is not an option because of its high salt content that could end up corroding and damaging sensitive equipments at the data center. You know, we often take data storage for granted. I mean, we can't see it, right? But trust me, this hidden web of servers has more secrets than a politician during an election. The water footprint is just one aspect. The carbon footprint of AI technology tells a different story. Due to the increase of AI, cloud storage now carries a larger carbon footprint than the airline industry. This means that the amount of pollution produced by airline industry in a year is exceeded by the combined pollution of AI and all its associated operations. One data center uses electricity equivalent to 50,000 homes, and this affects more on the countries that generate their electricity from coal. To meet the growing electricity demand for the cloud storage, these countries often resort to burning more coal or fossil fuel, leading to increase in greenhouse gas emission. Unfortunately, if we continue down this path, the future condition could become even more dangerous for our planet. But the one important aspect is that the AI companies know that AI and cloud centers have a bad effect on the environment, so they are stepping up to the plate. They are embracing renewable energy sources like solar, wind and hydroelectric power to power these data centers. Many AI companies have pledged to make their systems sustainable by 2030. Imagine your data being powered by the sun itself. It's like having a digital solar panel. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about what chatgpt is and what AI is, the video link will be on your screen.